Hello, hello, teachers of English at CBSE schools. The day is drawing close. We are finally going to see the fruits of all your labor across the year. For class 12, the date decided has been 24th February 2023 for the board exams. And for class 10, it's 27 February 2023 for the board exams. So because the dates have been released, we've decided that we'll have some open houses for you so that, it assists you in clarifying all your doubts. These sessions are only for teachers, they are free. So it's a collaborative doubt clearing venture. So for class 12, it's on 21st of January 2023, Saturday, and 7 p.m. onwards. So finish up with your chores, etc. Take out an hour, 30-40 minutes. If you have any doubts, please keep them ready. Like-minded people, teachers are going to be there. You can help each other out. I could help you moderate that. So kindly just go to the website and register. How to do that, I'll just let you know. For class 10, we have it on 22nd of January. So you have a Saturday and Sunday and 7 p.m. I know you're probably busy checking your pre-board papers, but you can hop in and hop out for about 30-40 minutes. If you have any doubts, any clarifications you seek, you're more than welcome. Now, how to go about it? It's very simple. You go to the website www.ruchisengar.in. When you do that, on top you would see resource material, news updates, my resources. All you have to do is go to resource material. So when you click resource materials, you would probably see this category 10, 11, 12, 9, free, etc. So click free because it's a free open house, or you could click 10 or 12 because that's what we are having the open house for. And the moment you do that, you are going to be taken. For example, if you click 12, you would be taken to this particular feature here. It would say open house, etc. You would see just click free. The moment you click free, you would get registered. You can then click my resources over here because now that you have registered, automatically my resources is your place. So you would see this course over there, and the moment you click it, you would see this. What is this? This is like a countdown. All right. And this is on 21st of January. So on the date, 21st January, all you have to do is hop in, click my resources, go to this particular place, wait for the timer, like 6:50, you will automatically be in. You would automatically be in, and you would find me there smiling, waiting for you. So, as well as the others, because everybody is very punctual. So, yeah, please come in, register. Oh, somebody has been kind enough to rate this as 5-star already. So great, come in, learn from each other. There are some clarifications that we seek, and we are a little apprehensive as to, oh, I've heard a lot of my colleagues say it's silly, but I like to ask. So silly is important at this juncture. So please do come in and let's help each other, right? For the sake of our students. The description of the direct link, if you want to just go to the direct link, is going to be there in the description box. Hope to see you there. Once again, this is only for teachers. We don't conduct sessions for students, right? Stay empowered, stay safe.